In front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to click on Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Continue As or Use Without an Account and hit Add Contact. Now it's time to select Contacts app and tap on Just Once or Always. Now click on the chosen contact you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold the chosen one and drag it to the proper place. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones and tap on Save. To delete one of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!